Hello and welcome. So we are told that a formula for the volume V of a sphere with radius r is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. If the radius of a spherical rubber ball is 2 3/5 inches, what is the volume to the nearest cubic inch? Well, first off, figure out what you're looking at a little bit here. So it says a couple of things. We're told a lot of important information here. First off, we're told that the volume of a sphere is given by this equation. And then we're told that a spherical object has this radius. Okay, let's look at our equation here. For this particular equation, it's 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius. And then you're subsequently told the radius of an object. All this is a simple plug and chug. You have the formula, literally plug in the information you're given, right? Now, plugging in mixed numbers is really not going to cut it. It's a little bit hard to do arithmetic with mixed numbers, so turn it into something that's not a mixed number first and go from there. So it's alright, so 2 3/5. Well, hopefully you recall how to write this as an uncommon fraction. So all you do is you really just say, okay, we have 2 of our fifths, right? A full 2. So we know that 1 is 5/5, right? And how many of these things do we have? We have 2 of them, meaning that we have 10/5. Because what's 10 divided by 5? 2, right? That's literally the same thing. So we have 10/5 plus 3/5, that's 13/5. So that means that 2 3/5 is the exact same thing as 13/5. That's the first step you need to go. Okay, now in case that didn't quite make sense, all we're doing to find that is you just multiply the number to your denominator, so 2 times 5, and add it to your numerator. That's always what's going to happen. So if you have like 7 and, I don't know, 8, is that right, 7, and 8 ninths, and you wanted to write this as a uncommon fraction, you just multiply these two. 7 times 9 is 63. Add it to the top. 63 plus 8 would be, oh golly, 63 plus 8, 71. And then 71 ninths would be the uncommon fraction. Okay, so that's nutshell how to get there. So then this is your radius. We're told that 2 3/5 is the radius, and we know that 13/5 is equivalent to 2 3/5. So that means that 13/5 is the number that we plug into our r there. So our volume is 4/3 pi times 13/5 cubed. Alright, now this is going to get a little gnarly in terms of number sense, so what I would do is I would literally just waltz on over to my calculator. So I would go over and I'd say, so we have 4/3 times pi times our radius, 13/5, raised to the third power. Bam! And then your calculator is going to be able to handle this all on its own. So then you have 73.622 approximately. And 73.622 is closest to 74, which means 74 is going to be our answer here. Okay? And that's it. You would be done from that point on. Thanks for watching.